What's up, everybody? This is Trey with Speed Shield, bringing you guys some windshield protection film installs. We've been doing more and more of this stuff. We started a long time ago doing beta testing for windshield protection films, and therefore we started installing them as well because some of them were pretty good. Some of them left a lot to be desired. There are some new materials on the market, and they are drastically improved. This windshield protection film is from the creators of Spectra PhotoSync, Prestige Film Technologies. This is called Maxxion, and it is by far the highest quality windshield protection film we have ever tested and ever utilized on customers' cars. So we went through a testing process, and we definitely verified that the film is high quality and that we put it into service. So this film is going to protect your windshield from chipping and sandblasting and all the little debris that's going to chip and crack and break your windshield typically. We see a lot of damage on vehicles that do road rallies. Exotics are typically very involved in doing road rallies on the weekends. You do not want to have to buy a windshield for an exotic car. They're very expensive, and the original windshield is the best windshield you're ever going to have, and it was installed properly. You never know how an aftermarket windshield is going to be installed. You never know if it's going to be a high quality install or if it's going to be a little less quality and could leave the vehicle unsafe in case the airbags deploy, because the adhesive around the edge of the windshield is highly critical to create a very good seal to where the windshield will not pop out forward when your airbags deploy. The airbags need to reflect off of that windshield to protect you inside the car. Look it up. It's crazy how many windshields do that and how many deaths are attributed to improperly installed windshields. So the point being, you want to keep and protect your original windshield. So look into windshield protection film. You're always more than welcome to come over here and see what we're working on and see what this stuff looks like in real life. So anytime you guys want to come over, holler at us on the phone, swing over to the shop, see what we're installing, and become a believer like we are in these products. Check it out, Maxxion windshield protection film from Prestige Film Technologies. You guys have fun out there, stay protected. Speed Shield.